Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Rocket Money to detect subscriptions on your card. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure Rocket Money to detect subscriptions on your card, start by opening the Rocket Money app on your device. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your credentials and access your account. Once you're in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the bank accounts section and tap on it. Here, you'll want to add your card if it's not already linked. Select that Add Account option and choose your bank from the list. Follow the prompts to securely connect your bank account to Rocket Money. After linking your bank account, return to the main dashboard. Locate the Subscriptions tab to access your subscription settings. In this section, you will find options for managing existing subscriptions. To begin the detection process, click on the Detect Subscriptions button. Rocket Money will analyze your transactions to identify recurring charges. This may take a few moments, so be patient while it processes your data. Once the scan is complete, a list of detected subscriptions will appear. Review the list carefully to ensure all relevant subscriptions are included. If you notice any missing subscriptions, you can add them manually. Click on the Add Subscription option to enter the details. Fill in the subscription name, amount, and billing cycle. Once you've added all necessary subscriptions, return to the main subscription overview. Here, you can set notifications for upcoming payments and adjustments. Enable alerts to help you keep track of any changes or renewals. Additionally, review the frequency of your subscriptions in this section. You can also categorize subscriptions for easier management. Finally, ensure that notifications are turned on in your device settings for real-time updates. Your Rocket Money setup is now complete, and you're equipped to manage your subscriptions effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.